Today's recipe is a wonder recipe of this summer. Yes, you guessed it right. Raw mango chutney, an undeniable necessity of Bengalis' household. Any auspicious occasion remains incomplete without a dollop of chutney. Even after a full course lunch, our hunger craves for more unless licking fingers with chutney. From sweet to sour to hot, even chutney has various tastes to crave. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Mita. So let's begin today the easiest chutney which can be done in 5 minutes. Now let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are tamarind, sugar, salt, turmeric powder, mustard seed, red chili whole, and with that our lovely raw mangoes. Now let's begin the recipe. Now take the raw mangoes, wash it properly, then with the help of a knife cut the both edges, then make long length pieces. The way I am showing you over here, though no need to peel off the skin. As you know that throughout the summer season we will get raw mangoes, ripe mangoes of different varieties, and mangoes are favorite to almost every person in this entire world. So before thinking of any other recipes with raw mango, I had to make this Bengali style mango chutney. This recipe is my family favorite, and this version of mango chutney is very cooling and soothing for your stomach and soul, and especially in this summer. Now our mangoes are done. Keep it on a side. On the other side, take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then add half teaspoon of mustard seed and 2 red chili whole. And once it start to crackle, then we will add these mango pieces and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. After tossing the mangoes in a medium-high flame for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will add 2 cups of water and cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until 90% of the mangoes are softened. So there is a catch. Don't add sugar at the beginning of this recipe or else the mango will not get soft enough. After that, remove the cover and check. You will see within 2 to 3 minutes the mangoes are well soft enough. And at this moment we will add all other ingredients. First of all, we need to check the mangoes, and when it is well done, then add 1 cup of sugar, though you can adjust the sugar according to your taste bud. Then add half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, so to get a nice yellow color. After that, add a small piece of tamarind. While adding this tamarind, you will get a nice taste, though nobody will tell you to add tamarind into this mango chutney. And believe me, if you add this tamarind, the taste which you will get, you will never forget in your lifetime, and always you want to have this chutney with this tamarind. Now cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes and our chutney will be perfectly done. From this video you can see. Switch off the flame and serve in a serving bowl, and garnish it with 2 lemon leaf from above, though this is not compulsory. You can ignore it if you don't have. As I told you before that this often consumed towards the end of it. If you ask me, I could finish up the entire meal and then sit back and give this a little serve, while relishing the perfect balance between the heat, tangy and the sweet flavor. So if you think today's recipe is worth it and you like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Studio and hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy this summer. See you again. Bye bye.